Before we begin, take a slow breath. This story is not loud. Nothing big happens. But maybe you will feel something. Have you ever wanted to say something but you didn't? Maybe you wanted to say sorry. Maybe thank you. Maybe I miss you. And then the moment passed. This story is about that moment. The quiet one. The one we never forget. Let's begin. His name was Ethan. Ethan was an ordinary man. He lived a normal life. He worked, he ate, he slept. Every day looked the same. One evening, Ethan was walking home. The sky was gray, the air was cool. People were moving fast. Ethan walked slowly. He was thinking about work, about life, about words he never said. That night, he sat alone in his small room. The light was on. The room was quiet. He held his phone. He looked at the screen. No new messages. He opened an old contact. Her name was Anna. They were close once. They talked every day. They laughed a lot. But now they did not talk. Not because they were angry, not because they hated each other. They just stopped. Ethan wanted to write a message. His fingers moved, then stopped. He deleted the words. He put the phone down. He didn't say anything. The next day, Ethan went to work. He sat at his desk. People talked around him. Phones rang, keys clicked, but Ethan was quiet. His friend Mark came over. "Are you okay?" Mark asked. Ethan smiled. "Yes," he said. But it was not true. He wanted to say more. He wanted to talk, but he didn't. That evening, it started to rain. Soft rain. Quiet rain. Ethan stood at a bus stop. The road was wet. Lights reflected on the ground. A woman stood near him. She was older. She held a small bag. She looked tired. The bus was late. They waited together. The woman looked at Ethan. "Cold night," she said. "Yes," Ethan replied. He wanted to say more. He wanted to ask her name. He wanted to talk. But the bus came. They got on. They sat far from each other. Again, he didn't say anything. Days passed. Ethan kept doing the same things. Wake up, go to work, come home. One night, he found an old photo. It was him and Anna. They were smiling. Ethan felt something in his chest. Not pain, not anger, regret. He remembered a day long ago. They were sitting together. Anna was quiet. She looked sad. Ethan noticed it. He wanted to ask, "Are you okay?" But he didn't. He thought, she will talk later. But later never came. That night, Ethan could not sleep. The room was dark. Only the clock made a sound. Tick, tick, tick. Time was moving. Ethan was not. He sat up. He took his phone. His hands were shaking. He opened Anna's contact. He stared at the screen. Minutes passed. Then he typed, "Hi, I hope you are okay." He read it again. Simple words, small words, but honest. He pressed send. The next morning, Ethan woke up early. His phone was on the table. No message. He went to work. At lunch, his phone vibrated. A message from Anna. "Hi, Ethan. I'm okay. Thank you for writing." Ethan smiled. A small smile. Not because everything was fixed, not because life was perfect, but because this time, he said something. This story is simple, but the message is strong. Many times in life, we don't speak. We wait. We think. We stay silent. We think there is more time. But time moves quietly. Words left unsaid become heavy. A small sentence can change a heart. You don't need perfect words. You don't need long talks. Sometimes, one honest line is enough. So if you are thinking of someone, if your heart feels full, don't wait. Say something. Because silence feels safe, but words create connection. And connection is what we all need.